If you love motorcycles that make your heart feel something, then I am sure that you must be thinking about one motorcycle or one specific category, and that is Cafe Racer. Today I'm here to review this machine from Triumph, that is Thruxton 400. This is a Cafe Racer in 400cc segment. They already own Cafe Racers in higher segment. Well, in this video, you're going to understand about my riding experience, how is this bike, its other details. So watch this video till end, and now let's begin. This is Triumph's Thruxton 400. Well, this is not just a new machine added in their lineup. Well, this is kind of an answer for riders who need soul in their machine, who crave for that power as well as those sharp handlings. This comes from a Cafe Racer segment, and this is not something which has come recently. In 1960s, in London, Cafe Racers were built. Those were built by many young minds, and majorly those were automotive enthusiasts. Well, it has a very beautiful history, to be very honest. Cafe Racers were used to hop in between cafes, and there was a mark as well that there used to be races, and those races were from cafe to cafe. And that is the reason this kind of a design is called as Cafe Racer. These are not made for comfort. These are made to actually feel the bike, to actually race on this bike, and to get that urban rider feeling on this bike. Let's talk about looks and design. Well, Cafe Racers are actually meant to be visual poetries. Seeing this, what do you think? Well, it has sculpted tank, then it has fairings and few more things. But you know what? This bike is not just pretending to be a Cafe Racer, it is one. Because I was riding through it and I could actually feel the way it is. The posture is right, the feel is perfect, and you can actually get those things which you expect from Cafe Racer. When we talk about design and when we talk about seat, well, this seat is very comfortable, and it is a single piece seat. You might feel that this is a separate cowl, but it is not. Let me show it to you. So basically, this is the entire seat, and here are Allen screws with which you can remove this cowl. Now, people might ask that, can we have another type of a seat? Yes, you can have another full leather seat, but that will kill the looks of Cafe Racer. So this cowl is one of the major elements for any Cafe Racer, and yes, Cafe Racers are always single seated. Let's talk about fuel cap. Well, this little bit looks like an offset, but no, it is not. This is inspired from the other big Thruxtons which are there, and this has metallic brush finish. Well, this gives that vintage classic look, and like I said, that it is a modern classic bike. Here we get an analog cluster with the LCD screen. Well, that again makes it modern as well as classic. So this entire design elements complement each other, and then the entire Cafe Racer feel surely comes out. Thruxton 400 comes with 17 inches alloy wheels with Apollo Alpha H1 tires, and it gives you good grips on normal roads as well as to cut the corners. And most important, the weight of this bike is actually a little more than the version which is going to get exported outside India. Let's get into riding bit. Well, this machine, that is Thruxton 400, comes with 398cc single cylinder engine, and this is built on same platform as Speed 400. It has TR series engine. Well, one thing is different, that it is tuned differently because of the Cafe Racer feel as well as the dynamics, and you can actually feel it when you ride it. In this machine, you get power of 47 PS at 9000 RPM and 37.5 Nm of torque at 7500 RPM. Well, this machine is not made for race or drag strips, but one thing is for sure, that you can actually cut tight corners, you can go in mountains, and you can feel alive. It comes with slipper clutch, it comes with traction control, it has dual channel ABS, It has monoshock suspension. Well, it has everything that Speed 400 was also having. So just imagine comfort of Speed 400 with the dynamics of Cafe Racer. I am near waterfall, and whenever you're near any water body, you definitely feel some connection over there, or when you're in mountains or at such places. Well, this is what a Cafe Racer should be as well. When I say that it is a modern classic machine, it means that it has all the modern things which you need, and yet the essence, the feel, and the connect remains the same, like the classic way. Well, it has a LED projector headlamp, it has USB charging, and whatnot. Well, this bike is actually modernly equipped, yet the look, feel, and the connect is same like the classics. Let's talk a little bit about then versus now. The old Thruxtons and this one, that is Thruxton 400. The major difference is that those machines were more powerful, much heavier, and they were literally having some old kind of a tech. But these machines are, as I said, modern classic. Well, this weighs just 183 kg, which is very lighter, as well as this machine gives you everything modern, but the classic feel, classic way of riding, and connect with this machine is definitely classic. Let's talk about something that you don't always see, but definitely you always feel. That is your engine oil. Well, my trusted partner is Castrol Power One. What I've observed when I use Castrol Power One is that your acceleration is very good, then your shifts are very smooth, and if you are in traffic or in heat, definitely you're not worried about your engine getting heat up, so it remains cool, consistent, and it gives you constant power. Well, this is something that I've observed in all my bikes, may it be on road, off-road, in traffic, in heat, in cold, or even on the drag strip. Whether I'm sprinting down the highway or craving for some corners, I know that Castrol Power One reduces vibrations of my engine, gives me confidence to push myself and to push the bike because I know that engine is going to be protected. If you haven't tried Castrol Power One yet, then you should try because you're actually missing out to know that how good your bike is going to perform and actually use the engine oil and experience the goodness of it on your own. When I see this machine for the entire day I was riding, and now I can say that they have actually reimagined this machine. And yes, it surely has that vibe of Cafe Racer. I would love to know what you feel about this bike because after riding the bike, my impression is different, which you must have seen in this video. I would like to answer all your queries or your doubts, or if you have anything to say. So please mention them in comments and I'll be more than happy to answer them. As well as follow me for more such videos. You can read full article about this bike, my views and entire review along with specifications on my website, that is autoupshot.com. See you in the next video, maybe with another bike, another car, or racing, or maybe touring. Till then, bye bye and take care.